Hello mga guys, ito na naman yung Ate Mars nyo guys. Magluluto tayo guys ng vegetable pakora recipe. Pakora recipe, pakora guys. Yan guys, kailangan natin i-grated yung carrots. Ay, hindi carrots, yung ating potato guys. Ayan. Yan, tapos na guys. Yung dapat ilagay yan guys, sana may onion tayo at saka yung guys, kaso lang wala naglagay tayo ng coriander leaves, sana may onion, spring onion guys, kaso lang wala. Garlic wala. Kaya naglagay tayo ng 10 tablespoon of flour. Ayan. At saka naglagay tayo ng baking powder.
Happy birthday la.
Ayan. Baking powder at saka maglagay tayo ng coriander. Kung ilang spoon yung sa ingredients guys, ilagay ko lang sa aking description. Ganyan guys.
Why? So good mo inom.
Ayan, at saka yung naglagay tayo ng curry powder. May sana yan guys, may sauce yan, pero hindi ako nagawa ng sauce. Yung tamarind sauce guys.
Ay, kaway mang pud na.
Ayan. Pero may sekreto ako dyan guys, na hindi alam nyo guys. Sorry, it's a secret. Ayan na guys, ipirito na natin ang ating pakora. Ayan, parang kung baga pang appetizer. Ayan. O, diba? Yung healthy guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, nadamihan ko ng guys, coriander, kaya naging green na, malapit na ma-green lahat guys. Ayan. Ganyan na guys. O, ayan, patapos na tayo guys. Ganun yung tapos natin ng niluto guys. Ready to eat na. So, thank you for watching.